Welcome back, guys. So let's compare the Super Meteor 650 with a Interceptor 650 or a Continental GT 650. So if we want to compare these two bikes, especially Super Meteor and Interceptor, because Conti is a cafe racer, it's more sporty, postured motorcycle, so it's not that comparable. But yeah, you can compare with Interceptor 650 for sure. So comparing these two, I would say Interceptor is a more sporty compared to Super Meteor, and Super Meteor is a little bit more comfortable as far as sitting posture is concerned, but not as far as suspensions are concerned. I have felt that because I have ridden Interceptor 650 many times. I have felt that Interceptor 650 has a more better comfortable suspensions. They are stiff enough to tackle the corners, and they are comfortable enough to ride on a potholes. But this is not a case with the Super Meteor 650, because I felt that the Super Meteor has a little bit more stiffer suspensions. The setup is a little stiffer, even though the sitting posture is comfortable. Apart from sitting posture, as far as power is concerned, the power figures are similar, but tuning is a little bit different. Super Meteor feels more linear in power delivery compared to Interceptor 650, because Interceptor feels more sporty. You get the pull when you open the throttle of Interceptor 650. The another thing is, look wise, you cannot compare this motorcycle because looks can be subjective. Some people might like Interceptor 650, or some people might like Super Meteor. It's depend on what you want with your motorcycle. So apart from these things, I don't think so there are any big differences with these motorcycles. Both are Royal Enfields, and nearly the maintenance going to be same because the parts are nearly the same. But yeah, definitely Super Meteor might have some different parts. I will suggest you, before you buy any of these motorcycles, do test ride first and then decide which motorcycle you want to buy. And again, if you want to stretch your buying decision, then you can wait for a Hunter 650 also. And because Royal Enfield going to launch a Hunter 650 in coming days, coming months, so you can wait for that also, because then you may have four options from 650 engines from Royal Enfield. So that's it for now. I wanted to tell you some differences about Interceptor 650 and Super Meteor 650 after test riding Super Meteor 650. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you found this video helpful, to subscribe to the channel, like this video, and do subscribe, because definitely I'm going to upload more such a kind of videos. Check out the other videos from my channel, because there are a lot of videos about motorcycles, especially from the Royal Enfield Himalayan. So do watch them. I will see you next video. Until then, bye bye.